Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is Rutherford's atomic model. Introduction. This experiment is carried out by Lord Rutherford in 1911. Apparatus. The setup of experiment consisted of thick lead box with a hole on one of its walls, a slit, a thin gold foil, a rotating detector at the end. Inside the lead box, radioactive substance rich in alpha particles was kept. Experiment. To understand about his experiment, let us first see what alpha particles are. Alpha particles are emitted by radioactive substances. These are helium ions with double positive charge. In this experiment, Rutherford passed a beam of alpha particles through a very thin gold metal foil. He found that most of the alpha particles passed through it without any deflection. However, some of them deflected at large angles, and very few of them bounced back. Conclusions. From the result of his experiment, Rutherford concluded that the volume occupied by an atom must be largely empty, as most of the alpha particles passed through the foil undeflected. The positive charge in the atom is concentrated in extremely dense region, which he called the nucleus. This was from the fact that alpha particles, after collision with a heavy positively charged nucleus, had bounced back. Atomic model. According to the Rutherford model, an atom consisted of two parts. Number 1, nucleus, and number 2, extra nuclear part. Nucleus. The proton and neutron reside in the nucleus. Since the protons are positive charged particle, therefore the nucleus has positive charge. Further, since the weight of the atom due to presence of protons and neutrons, as these particles are residing in the nucleus, the weight of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. Extra nuclear part. The electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the extra nuclear part in various orbits, which are also called as shells or energy levels. Thank you.